Fill-Rite pump safety precautions. Stay safe while troubleshooting. Before you troubleshoot your Fill-Rite pump, there's one thing more important than fixing the problem: your safety. A few simple precautions can help prevent accidents, fuel spills, and costly mistakes. In this video, you'll learn the essential safety steps to follow before working on any Fill-Rite fuel transfer pump. Introduction. Whether you're maintaining a farm, construction site, or commercial fueling system, following proper safety procedures is essential. If you're looking for recommended safety gear, replacement parts, or a genuine Fill-Rite pump, check the product links in the description and the pinned comment below. Safety tip 1. Turn off the pump. Always switch off the pump before inspecting or repairing it. Never attempt to troubleshoot while the pump is operating. This simple step greatly reduces the risk of injury and equipment damage. Safety tip 2. Keep your work area safe. Work in a clean, organized area free of unnecessary tools, debris, and other hazards. A clutter-free workspace makes troubleshooting safer and more efficient. Also, avoid using the pump in wet or damp conditions, as moisture can increase the risk of electrical hazards and equipment damage. Safety tip 3. Check for fuel leaks. Before beginning any maintenance, carefully inspect the pump, hoses, and fittings for fuel leaks. Even a small leak can become a serious fire hazard if ignored. If you find a leak, repair it before operating the pump again. Safety tip 4. Wear proper PPE. The right personal protective equipment can make a big difference. Wear gloves to protect your hands from fuel and sharp edges. Use safety goggles to shield your eyes from fuel splashes. Wear sturdy boots to protect your feet while working around heavy equipment. And use protective overalls to keep your clothing clean and reduce skin exposure to fuel. If you need quality safety gear or replacement accessories, check the links in the description and pinned comment. Conclusion. Safe troubleshooting starts with preparation. By turning off the pump, checking for leaks, keeping your work area clean, and wearing the proper PPE, you can complete maintenance safely and confidently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Fill-Rite troubleshooting and maintenance tips, and leave a comment with your questions or experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.